Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool right here, and basically what this is a case for your iPhone 13 Pro device. If you can see it from this brand right here. But I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so I'm going to pull this part out. And we guys open up this part right here. You guys have the case inside right here. So when we take it out, this is basically what the case looks like. If you can see, it looks and feels like a high quality case. And the way how they design the back part right here, you guys can hear, is scratch resistant or anti-scratch. So you can definitely see it is a high quality case. But let's put it on the phone first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so right here we have the brand new iPhone 13 Pro. So what you guys want to do is just snap it in right here. Push it in. Alright, so once you guys got it in, this is basically what the product looks like. It's fitted just perfect for the actual lens right here. If you try to use the button on here, it definitely works pretty well. And when you guys actually hold the phone right here, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely feels like a very slim and thin case. But it also has a very good grip on the side as well. So when you guys are holding your phone like this, it definitely gives you guys a very good grip. But when you guys look at the side, you can definitely see how thin the case is. It's definitely very thin. So you don't have to worry about this case being super thick or anything. And the way how they designed this case right here on the corners, they actually have a corner airbag on the corners right here. So that way the case is shockproof and drop resistant as well if you guys accidentally drop it. And if you guys look at the front part right here, and also for the back part right here where the lens is, it's raised just a little bit to give you guys that protection for both the front and the back. But definitely not the material on the back right here because it is anti-fingerprint and also anti-scratch as well. And then obviously if you guys want to do wireless charging on here, you can definitely do that as well. Alright, so right here with the case, let's test it out. So you basically want to go like this and clip it on. So once you guys clip it on, this is basically what it actually looks like. Alright, so definitely that actually does work if you guys want to do wireless charging on the case. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this case right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys have like the brand new iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 Pro Max. Then you should definitely get one of these cases right here for your phone to give you guys that extra protection layer. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.